So, later on, I'll be going for my third session on my neck therapy. So, hopefully naman sana mawala na yung sakit nito dahil ang sakit-sakit talaga. And then, just go back straight home and take some rest. So, this is just a Saturday off for me. And, Professor, I'm going to see you very soon and I'm going to hear from you in 2 days from now. So, have a safe journey back to US. So, bye everyone, and it was nice having this schedule for today. God bless everyone. Another session, ang third na. So I'm on my third therapy now. Hopefully matanggal na to. Sabi nila ni-middle ano daw nila. So probably will get that later on kung matuloy yung pag-middle therapy sa akin. So, ito yung hot compress nandito. Plus yung electricity nandun sa likod ko sa kasanet. So, yung pwesto ko. 20 minutes daw to 20 minutes. Hopefully later natanggal yung sakit nito. So, Hi.
Hi!
Thank you. Siya yung nag-therapy sa akin.